Using both physical and digital products, create a comprehensive product as a service that goes the extra mile to meet your clients' needs. According to Gartner, the adoption of IoT is faster than expected. If you're not careful, it's easy to build an over-complex, cost-inefficient solution that will greatly lower your margin. My name is Piotr Beling, and at Spyrosoft I'm a director of operations responsible for building IoT solutions and digital products for industrial clients. I'd like to tell you what an IoT digital product is and when it's worth building one. Let's quickly define what IoT and IoT digital products are. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of interconnected physical devices, appliances, industrial machinery, and other items embedded with sensors and software that enable them to collect and exchange data over the internet. And in terms of IoT digital products, it enables users to access and control those connected devices via mobile or web applications. Such solutions provide several key benefits to digital product end users and device manufacturers. To name a few: remote control, remote diagnosis, telemetry, notifications about important events, the automations of various tasks, firmware updates over the air, and others. Think about a smartwatch that reminds you to exercise, a coffee machine that you can turn on via an app, or a cleaning robot that can send you a report of job that it has done or a notification that it needs maintenance. Businesses use IoT solutions to generate revenue by delivering additional business value to customers in addition to physical products they sell, to reduce production, maintenance, and support costs, to better understand their customers and users. The potential of IoT solutions is vast and evident across many industries, including building automation, smart homes, healthcare, automotive, manufacturing, industrial IoT, agriculture, and energy. IoT provides universal business value to those industries, such as remote control, telemetry data, fleet management, and proactive maintenance. For many businesses, the most interesting aspect is that a well-designed IoT digital product has the potential to generate revenue, for example by creating a subscription-based software as a service, SaaS solution. 94% of businesses have already confirmed returns on their IoT investments regardless of industry, and enhance operational efficiency by reducing maintenance and service costs. If you're thinking, but I already have a product that lacks those features, okay, retrofitting existing physical products is generally not a good strategy. The risk that the costs of such an operation, installation of IoT gateways, sensors, firmware updates to enable connectivity will exceed potential profits is extremely high. However, products are continually being modernized. New versions, models, and types of certain devices are being designed by R&D teams, and it's never too late to design them to be connectable and IoT ready. The following is an example of how to introduce an IoT solution in the form of a platform to an organization that has not used such solutions before. One of our clients, Corab, a leader in the green energy industry, which has production capacity that currently exceeds 4 gigawatts of photovoltaic structures per year. And if you put that into perspective, 4 gigawatts can provide energy to an average around 1.5 million households. They are currently investing more in the green energy market, introducing new devices like inverters, microinverters, heat pumps, and energy storages. With our support, they were able to design and implement an IoT platform solution that plays a crucial role in the manufacturing and provisioning processes, resulting in cost savings, enables the quick addition of new device types to the platform, making the solution easily extendable with future products, allows end users to control their installations remotely, and enables Corab to gather device and user behavior data, makes them ready to participate in demand response programs. Since then, they have been able to scale freely, introducing new innovative products that are by default part of the IoT world. This was just one use case. Based on my experience, we can classify the key business benefits that IoT solutions provide into 4 main categories: IoT digital products as a direct source of revenue. Know your clients and their needs. Based on that, design and build an IoT solution that addresses those requirements and is valuable enough to be offered as a subscription-based software as a service solution. It sounds easy, but the devil is in the details. Nevertheless, many successful IoT digital products transform one-time customers into long-term subscribers. We'll delve deeper into monetization strategies in the next video. IoT digital products as a way to save on device maintenance and operations costs or to enhance operational efficiency. For some businesses, it is better to start with a low-hanging fruit of maintenance and operations optimization. Cut maintenance, operations, and support expenses through real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. Sensors and connectivity allow for continuous data collection on equipment performance, enabling the early detection of issues and maintenance only when necessary. This reduces unexpected breakdowns, extends equipment lifespan, and lowers repair and replacement costs. Remote control and diagnostics further save time and labor bills. Additionally, identifying and automating routine tasks, optimizing resource use, notifying users about important events, and enabling machine-to-machine communication greatly increases operational efficiency. IoT digital products as an input to research and development and product designing process. IoT products can greatly impact your R&D and product design processes. Digital twins help to accelerate time to market by allowing the simulation of how new devices will operate in real environments, performing integration tests with other systems that the device needs to communicate with, and by identifying failure points earlier in the design process. Moreover, telemetry gathered from IoT devices provides R&D teams with valuable real-time data on device performance, user behavior, and environmental conditions, enabling them to identify and address issues proactively. This data-driven insight aids in refining product design, optimizing functionality, and informing future development strategies. IoT digital products as a way to know your end users better. I mentioned before that telemetry gatherers can be used as a valuable input about user behaviors. User experience is crucial for long-term relations and client satisfaction, so it's worth focusing on it. Currently, a lot of firms still struggle to access unbiased user feedback, identify user pain points, or continuously improve the user experience. Alarmingly, over 30% of companies do not survey their customers at all, reports HubSpot. You no longer need to rely on declarations because you can see user interaction with user product firsthand. The idea sounds appealing and valuable, so it's important to start with a clear strategy and roadmap. I'm happy to assist you with this process, but if you prefer to do it on your own, begin with the low-hanging fruit and look for areas where you can achieve the greatest results. If you already have an IoT digital product, carefully review your spendings to see if it helps you make or save money and check if it scales. Often, improperly designed IoT solutions are overly complex, and the infrastructure costs themselves cut into your current margin instead of generating a larger one. If your businesses face any of those challenges, watch our episode on IoT strategy to understand how you can further implement changes. To sum up, a well-thought-out IoT strategy is beneficial for companies because it helps develop more compelling products for your customers, allows you to harness data for better decision-making and customer insights, provides new revenue streams through digital products and services, and ensures competitiveness in a rapidly evolving market. It's an opportunity to significantly increase your margin, but you must be careful with the strategy you pursue. I may be biased, but I've seen cases where spending on IoT got out of hand quickly, so it's worth doing it with an expert. If I have convinced you of any of the ideas presented, feel free to contact me via email provided in the description. I'd be happy to discuss it with you. Goodbye and see you in the next video.